guys, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with the new releases for this week. There is no sticker new releases this week, which help us get caught up and ahead on production, and also we have a lot of events coming up in the next couple of months. One will be taking place probably within the next, well actually two of them will be taking place within the next 3 weeks, like bundle type events, so I'm really excited about that. More information to follow on those, definitely follow me on Facebook and Instagram if you haven't already. But let's go ahead and get into this week's releases. So a lot of these items you might have saw in the SPC swag bags. So let's go ahead and over those ones first. So the first thing that you might have saw, which is probably the most anticipated item, is our sticker album. And this is a not real leather, it's like pleather sticker album. It is marble printed with the gold hardware throughout. It has some pockets here. I believe there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 10 pockets, so there's 20 like sleeves, because each sleeve has 2 sides. So this is great for on the go and for any type of storage. If you want to put like your favorites in here. They do fit most of our foiled sheets. They fit almost all character stickers, all the ones that I have. So Happy Daya, they fit One's More with Love, they fit our character stickers, Fox and Cactus character stickers. They're pretty big. So the sheet size that'll fit in here is about 4 inches by 5 inches, a little bit bigger than 5 inches. So most character sticker type sheets will fit in here. So these are really, really nice. I love them. I'm so excited to start putting these to good use. And again, these are our new sticker albums. Then we do have some new sticky notes. So these are the newest ones. They are square. These were given as swag for the SPC planner party attendees. We also have a keychain, which I'm so excited about. This is my first ever keychain, and this is what it looks like. So cute. And I am probably going to be taking the key ring off. Well, I'm probably going to put one on my actual keys, and then I'm going to take one of the key ring off and put it on one of my TNs, because I think this makes an adorable little TN charm. The next item that we have, which was also another item that was given as swag, is a little bow pin. This round of pins, these two will come inside of a little plastic baggie, inside of a little foam. The next ones will have backer cards, so really excited about those. I already have our next pins on the way. So this one is a little pink and gold bow pin, so cute. Love this one. And then kind of segue into items that weren't in the swag. We do have one that I sneaked on Instagram. That is a blue glitter bow with gold on the outside. The next items I'll go into are items that have been in the shop already. So I did go ahead and do a bunch more of the marble vinyl bow decals. These were a real hot commodity whenever we did our full marble release. They sold out pretty quickly, so I went ahead and restocked those. Then there will be a couple packs of the washi. They will be on discount like they were before. Like I said, whenever I released these, I wasn't a huge fan of the marble coloring. It's a little bit on the cooler side, but it will come with a foil journaling card as its backing, and it will come with 6 washi. So you do have silver, gold, and rose gold confetti, and then you will also have the silver, gold, and rose gold hearts. I won't be selling these a la carte at any time. I will probably be putting them into future like Misfit bundles maybe, even though they're really not like Misfit washi. It's just I don't like love the coloring of them. It wasn't what I expected, but these were really requested to come back as well, so those are the remaining stock of those. Then we do have a pack of mini metal bows. We did have mini metal bows last week. Those were in the classic colors, and we do have some this week as well. So we do have 4 different colors. So we do have a blue one. There's also a green one. There is a blue one. It's a different color blue. This one's more of like an aqua-y blue, and then this one's more of like a true blue. And then there's also red, which is really cool because it's almost like flat looking color wise. I can get the little paper up. Red. It's really cool. This would be great for the holidays. So those are going to come in a little pack of bows. Also, you can buy anything you want in the shop during this release that's currently available. Obviously, these aren't going to be available as unlimited stock because we don't have unlimited stock of all of them, but I do have quite a bit of stock of everything. Just note that if you do order something that is, you know, like 3D or big, everything that you buy will be shipped in a bubble mailer, just so you know that. Then we do have some new notepads. These are always really popular and usually sell out within about 3 hours. And this one is so pretty. So this is just a weekly notepad, has the bow on top. It's marble with pink glitter, which I think is really pretty and fitting for this release. So we have some of those. And last but not least is something I'm really excited about. And we did a glitter washi card with our bow, like see-through. I don't know if you can tell. See-through, and I am so obsessed with this. Let me see if I can get it to focus. There we go. But it is a gold glitter washi card, and I'm so excited about this. I can see this being something y'all want to pick up multiples of. So that is everything for this week's new releases. I am really excited because this release marks that we're going to be moving into kind of like holiday territory as far as sticker goes, which I'm really excited. And I just am overall really pumped with all of these releases, and I know you guys are too. You guys have been asking, when's the non-sticker release? And it's this week, so I'm really excited. Also, just wanted to let you know that if you're watching it today, Wednesday, we do have Wiggle It Wednesday starting at noon, and it'll be this sheet, which is a pink foil. Let me see if you can get the shift in there. It's really cool. It kind of has like some geometric, but it's like a soft geometric look to it. So this sheet will be available at noon Eastern for $2. I do have a limited stock of them, but I did stock a lot of them. So this will be available, and I am so excited. I just think it's so fun, and that'll be available today, Wednesday at noon Eastern. So that is everything for this week's releases, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.